We purchased a house in the Orlando, Florida area, and it has a porch which connects to an upstairs loft that we use as an office. As you can see, there's a lovely view. However, when we moved in, there was a wooden staircase that came down from the loft and blocked the view out of this window, took up the entire wall that you see here, where our Paragon spiral staircase is now located. We had lived in a house with a spiral staircase previously and decided that that would be a good solution here. As you can see, this staircase takes up very little room. It was the perfect size for us. It's one of your smaller models. It was very reasonably priced. The people at Paragon that we talked to over the phone were very helpful, very knowledgeable, helped us take the proper measurements for this staircase, and our contractor had no problem installing it. We would recommend this particular model staircase and probably anything else that Paragon makes. Very good company, very helpful, very pleased.